Shalom, shalom. All praise to Yahweh, Shem Yahushai, Ba'ashem Kakadash. Through the Spirit, what you see right now is garlic. This is pure garlic. Pure garlic, It's all the skin right there. I mean, it's a little labor to it. You break them up, take the skin off, then you smash it, and then you put this there. See, you try to fill this up, Lord willing, or halfway. So what I'm doing here through the Spirit, the elder in South Carolina, Elder Manatazach, he made a video on it, and it's kind of like beautiful because, I've taken this stuff a couple of years ago. I used to do this, and I stopped. So I guess now the Spirit jumped on the brothers, and it's been circling through the brotherhood, and I'm doing it again, and that's beautiful, and that's how the Spirit of the Lord works. So this is just the beginning. You get you some pure garlic, take the skin off, smash them, till you take all the skin out. You put some raw honey in there, all natural honey as well. I think I'm gonna add some ginger here too, and maybe some turmeric. I might. So as you can see, I'm halfway there. You don't want to fill it up all the way. You want to halfway, fill it up halfway. So you see, I'm there with the garlic. Now what I'm gonna do, I got a red onion. I'm gonna slice that up. I'm gonna put that in there. I'm gonna put a half of this ginger and some of this turmeric in there. Stay tuned. Shalom, shalom. So now I got the red onion. I got the regular white onion, a little piece of turmeric, ginger. We're gonna put the garlic honey. All right, stay tuned. Shalom. So here we go, family. All praises to Yahweh, Shem Yahushai. So I show y'all this is how y'all can do it through the Spirit of Yahweh, Shem Yahushai. Thank God for the Spirit that jumped on the brotherhood. I'm back on it. All praises to y'all. I'm gonna let this sit for a week before I actually take a teaspoon of it. I'm gonna probably let it sit for a week, and then the older it gets, the better it gets, because it ferments. All the onion and all that acidic and garlic that got callus. Look that up. It's a power antioxidant super booster. Like the elder was going into. Use 100% raw honey and garlic. It's a little labor taking all the skin out. I put a little bit of ginger in there, and some red onion, regular onion, and a little bit of turmeric. Let it sit there, and this is good. It's the right time too. All praise to Yahweh Shem Yahushai, the winner, and it's good for cholesterol. I got asthma and allergies. Honey is very good for allergies, and sometimes this is why it takes discipline. We got to constantly pray to Yahweh Shem Yahushai, because, I was taking a teaspoon of honey every day. You take a teaspoon or a tablespoon of honey on a daily basis, and it's good for allergies, for diabetes, for cholesterol, high blood pressure. Honey is a very powerful nectar liquid that the Lord created, man. And that's why the bees love it, So, all praise to Yahweh Shem Yahushai. Now, I want to surprise you. Y'all know how I get down with my oregano oil. Now, I'm doing this. You can do whatever you want. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to put maybe like two drops of this oregano oil in there. 2 drops, and let it just ferment in there. And here you go, your super booster, immune booster liquid, cough syrup. You can use it as a cough syrup. Once it's fermented through the spirit of Yahweh Shem Yahushai, I take a teaspoon every day. The brother I know, the beloved brother I know, he brought some to the camp. It actually tastes good. So the more it sits, brother, just let it sit outside. Room temperature, don't put it in the fridge. You'll be all right. And I'm going to add some oregano oil in there, man. Put like 2 drops. Let's get some scriptures. Can't do this without the scriptures. This Sirach 30 and 15. Sirach chapter 30 and 15. Health and a good state of body are above all gold, and a strong body above infinite wealth. That's powerful, man. So we got to take care of our bodies, man. Sirach 38 and 4. The Lord Yahweh, Ba'ashem Yahushai, have created medicines out of the earth, and he that is wise will not abhor them. All praises to Yahweh, Ba'ashem Yahushai. Shalom, brothers.